She says, how do these drones enter? She says, why are security forces targeted? She says, why are there still incidents of terrorism, for example, in the Kashmir Valley? My simple answer to that is, we have not yet carried out Operation Wipeout because we have too much respect for the human rights of the perpetrators. You allow the security forces of India, in fact, I feel, allow me to complete, Wani, allow me to complete, and this is my position. And this is my complaint also with the Modi government, that the government should not care. You have to carry out Operation Wipeout with maximum efficiency and precision. And if there is some collateral damage, I'm sorry. I am sorry, but there is Operation Wipeout has to be carried out disregarding the human rights of the perpetrators and their supporters. Now, what does this mean? This means that if there are people who even build an argument for terrorism, even if people build an argument for terrorism, an intellectual argument for terrorism, they must be treated like terrorists. Then there will be fear. We must make an example of them. Arison, I hope you agree with me. We must strengthen our anti-terrorism laws.
I endorse you, sir. I remember.
We must round up all supporters of terrorists.
I remember the
all people masquerading as journalists, poets, activists, who are nothing but terrorist supporters. These people should have been rounded up in a bigger way after 53 people died. After the Delhi riots. When Trump visited India, they should have been rounded up mercilessly and put behind bars. You want to know? You do this, Wani, once, and I'm telling you, Atik, you do this once, then these people will not dare, leave alone put a IED on a train. They will not dare to go. These sleeper cells will stop operating. The problem is we as a democracy, we are too lenient. I hope I've answered your question. And viewers, do you agree with me on this?
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.